Guys, do you know how much new software developers are making right now in the US? We are talking around 130 grand a year. And get this, you don't even need to spend 4 years in college to land these jobs. Sounds crazy, but it's totally true. I'm Daniel, and today we are gonna talk about something that could literally change your career: the software development bootcamp from Course Careers. I've checked it out myself, and I will tell you everything you need to know: what's inside, how much it costs, and what kind of jobs you can get after. Plus, I'll give you my honest opinion on whether it's worth your time and money. Stick around, this could be pretty life-changing if you are looking to break into tech. But before we jump deeper into the world of software development, let's talk about a powerful tool that can complement your new coding skills: AI avatar technology. Imagine using your programming knowledge to create engaging faceless video content or automate projects for clients. With tools like Verbo AI Avatar Video Generator, you could bring your software development ideas to life in creative ways. Let me show you. Verbo offers an impressive number of tools, digital presenters, and ready-made templates for you to play with. Verbo lets you pick from hundreds of AI avatars, customize their look, and have them speak in any of 460+ voices across multiple languages. Perfect for connecting with viewers worldwide. Want a custom look? Use the AI photo generator in the Verbo app to create a unique avatar. Then bring it to life with the talking photo feature. Just upload your avatar, add your script, and watch it speak to your audience. Need social media content? Verbo's got you covered. Just feed it your long videos, and its AI will automatically create short, snappy clips perfect for platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. Plus, here's a cool feature. You can just paste in a website link and it'll turn that into an engaging video. Super easy way to make content that grabs attention. Thanks to today's video sponsor, Wondershare Verbo. Want to level up your video content? Give Verbo a shot. Just click the link down below. It's super straightforward to make awesome videos that'll grab people's attention. You might be surprised how simple it is. Alright, and now let's go back to the review. Overview. Alright folks, so this program from Course Careers is perfect for total beginners. Here's what makes it special. You don't need any coding experience or a computer science degree to get started. The program is led by Tim, and his story is pretty inspiring. He worked as a software developer at Microsoft without having a computer science degree himself. That really shows you don't need traditional credentials to succeed in tech. By the way guys, you might already know Tim from YouTube, where he runs the super popular Tech with Tim channel. He's built up quite a following there. More than 1 million subscribers tune in to learn from his programming tutorials and tech advice. His real-world experience at Microsoft combined with his huge success teaching coding on YouTube makes him a really unique instructor who knows how to explain complex concepts to beginners. And you know what makes the Course Careers Bootcamp really stand out? First off, they totally get that you might want to test the waters before jumping in. That's why they offer 3 free starter classes. Perfect for getting a taste of software development, checking out different career options, and learning the first steps. Pretty cool way to see if this whole coding theme is your jam, right? But there is more to it. The course content is super practical. It's all about teaching you exactly what companies are looking for right now. Plus, you're not just stuck learning on your own. One of the best parts is you get to be part of this awesome community. Every week there are live coaching sessions where you can hang out with your instructor and other students. It's super interactive. You can ask anything that's on your mind, get real feedback, and hear what others are experiencing too. Having people to learn with and bounce ideas off of makes such a huge difference when you're picking up these new skills. The whole program is designed to actually prepare you for real jobs, and the community support makes the learning journey way less intimidating. You are basically getting the perfect mix of practical skills and built-in support system. Content. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Alright, let's take a look at what this bootcamp offers, guys. The whole thing takes about 6 to 8 months, depending on your schedule, and is split into 8 main sections. Plus, you get 3 free intro lessons to start. Pretty sweet deal to see if it's your thing before diving in. Here is what's covered, from start to finish. Start here. In this section you'll find the basics, quick and easy intro stuff, plus some handy free resources to help you learn faster. Front-end basics. This is where the fun begins. You'll learn HTML, JavaScript, and React. All the stuff that makes websites look cool and work smoothly. Don't worry if these sound like alien words. Tim explains everything super clearly. Professional software development, Time to learn the tools pros use, like GitHub and Bash. Sounds fancy, right? But Tim breaks it all down. And there is lots of extra help if you need it. Computer science principles. Here's where you learn the brain stuff, how to solve tricky problems, and ace those job interviews at big tech companies. You'll pick up things like data structures and algorithms. Backend development with Go. Now you'll learn Go or Golang. It's what makes websites work behind the scenes. You'll even build your own mini project to practice. Software engineering principles. Here, you'll learn the secrets of writing clean, professional code and catching those pesky bugs. Tim makes even the complicated stuff feels manageable. Final project. In this section, you'll build a real project using everything you've learned. Short on ideas? No worries. Tim's got plenty of suggestions. Graduate portal. Last step. Take an exam to get your certificate. Do really well, and you might catch the eye of companies looking to hire new developers through course careers. But that's not all, guys, because this bootcamp includes 2 courses instead of 1. Once you have finished the basic introductory course, you get to choose your specialization: front-end, back-end, or DevOps engineering. Pricing. So like I said, Course Careers offers a few free courses as an introduction. But if you want to complete the tech sales bootcamp, you'll have to pay. If you decide to do that, there are 2 options for you. The first one implies 4 bi-weekly payments, without any hidden fees. The second one is one-time payment for the entire bootcamp. It helps you save some money compared to the first option. You also get a 14-day refund guarantee with no questions asked, which basically means that during 14 days after you purchase the course, you can cancel it and easily get your money back. And once you've crushed it and become a Course Careers grad, you'll get a certificate of completion to show off your new skills. You can add it to your resume and LinkedIn profile and let employers know you are ready to hit the ground running as an entry-level tech sales professional. Career opportunities. I think that when it comes to career opportunities, Course Careers really stands out among other online education platforms. This program isn't just about helping you get that dream job, it's also about setting you up for success once you're in. With a bunch of people already making the leap to tech sales and scoring solid paychecks, it's clear this program delivers the goods. But remember, it's not some magic pill. You'll still need to hustle, polishing your resume, getting your LinkedIn game on point, and most importantly, networking your heart out. Put in the effort though, and this program can give you a serious edge. What really makes Course Careers stand out is how it's built as a job pipeline. They team up with companies on the hunt for tech sales pros, meaning you're already on their radar once you finish the program. It's a win-win. Companies save cash on training, and you get a jumpstart with skills tailored to their needs. Is the Course Careers Software Development Bootcamp worth it? Alright, so here is the million-dollar question. Is the Course Careers Software Development Bootcamp actually worth it? First off, if you're someone who's just starting out and feeling overwhelmed by the thought of breaking into tech, this program is pretty solid. It's designed specifically for beginners, so you don't need any prior experience or a fancy computer science degree. The course is all about practicality, teaching you the exact skills that companies are hiring for right now. Plus, Tim, the instructor, knows his stuff. In a nutshell, if you are passionate about coding and ready to invest in your future, Course Careers is definitely worth considering. It's not going to hand you a job on a silver platter, but it will give you the skills, support, and connections to succeed. Just remember, the more effort you put in, the more you will get out of it. Alright, my friends, and that's all about my Course Careers Software Development Bootcamp review. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.